Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to use OmeTV in other countries. So let's start. So if you want to use OmeTV, you can use on other countries. It's very easy. So you need a VPN. What is a VPN? It's a VPN helps you to connect from other countries to a page. In that way, you can connect or simulate that you are in that country even if you are in another one. So that helps you to VPN. And how you can do it on VPN? Well, first you have to get a VPN and subscription, and then you have to connect the VPN and then start using the VPN, the OmeTV with your VPN. Well, I recommend you to use NordVPN. NordVPN is the best service for online security. And what's NordVPN? If you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, you can connect from anywhere, you can play games anywhere or chat anyway safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so you can check it out. Plus this guys, you will get a 30-day money back warranty. What means is that if you don't like the service, you don't like how it works, you will get your money back. Also, in the principal page, you will check all the features that offer you NordVPN. If you want to know how it works or what offer you, you can do it. When you register with our link in the description below, then you have to log in your account on NordVPN. So just click on login, and then just write your email address and then your password and then log in. When you do it, just wait a little bit. Let's go to the left side and you will find here a menu. Then let's go to NordVPN. Here on NordVPN, scroll down, and here on scroll down, just click here on set up NordVPN manually. Here, just select the country that you prefer. There are many countries that you can select. For example, if you want to connect to a VPN and then start chatting on OmeTV on, I don't know, for example, let's try Colombia. Okay, so let's look in for Colombia. Just click on Colombia and you will find here a bus of VPN for connecting to Colombia. Then just click here on get setup configuration, and now you can start using this VPN from Colombia and use now OmeTV. So that is how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.